All right, welcome back, scholars. We are going to look over one more problem before you take the exit ticket because I want to make sure you really understand the difference of when there is a parentheses and when there is no parentheses, and you're ready to write a response for it. As I'm looking through the exit tickets, I'm seeing you guys are really, and I know this, you guys are really good at figuring out the answer, the numbers, doing all the math. However, when we're typing out our answer, a lot of times our sentence isn't complete. You're not really arguing your point. You kind of just tell me really quick and sweet who you agree with or who you don't agree with. And so I want to make sure that you really understand so that when you're typing it, I can see that you understand and I can read it. All right. This is in your notes, so I want you to follow along in your notes, either on Google Docs or on paper. So, what is the difference between the equations that represent the two descriptions provided below? Explain using evidence. All right, so there's two different expressions and I'm going to have to explain what the difference is. Well, first, let's figure out what those are. The product means multiply of something and another thing, of 9 and the difference. If you think back to our lesson, what is this a clue of when it says the difference like that? Probably a parentheses because I need to multiply 9 times a difference. What does the difference mean? When I subtract two numbers, I find the difference. I'm going to have to subtract two things, a number and 6 equals 18. All right, so if I have to multiply the 9 times the difference of n minus 6, and that will equal 18. Let's see, which part or which step would you do first? Multiplying or subtracting? Multiplying, right? But that's not what my problem tells me. I have to multiply the 9 by a difference. So I first have to figure out that difference. So what do? Add those nice parentheses around the n minus 6. The difference tells me I'm going to need parentheses. Okay, let's look at the next one. The product, again a product, multiplying, of 9 and a number. Oh, this is different this time. It is 9 times a number. It doesn't say difference, it says a number. So 9 times a number decreased or subtracting by 6 is 18. So 9 times a number decreased or take away 6 equals 18. All right, now let's look at our two different expressions and figure out what the difference is. Well, first of all, one has a parentheses and one doesn't. But what does that really mean? If I'm drawing it out, here I have to draw 9 groups of n minus 6. Here I have to draw 9 groups of just n. There's a big difference of what you're actually multiplying. So I'm going to have to provide some evidence. So they are different because this is the kind of language I'll be looking for in your exit tickets. Can you explain? They are different because in the first description, there are 9 groups of n minus 6, while in the second one, there are 9 groups of n. And that is the main difference, right? What am I multiplying times 9? Am I multiplying 9 minus 6? or 9 times just n. It's a huge difference. Think about it if n was 10. 9 times 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Or what if I did 9 times 10, which is 90, minus 6? That'd be 84. So the difference between 36 and 84 is huge. You can't forget that parentheses. So in your exit ticket, which is your next step, I want you to use this problem to be able to solve your exit ticket problem, okay? I can't wait to see your work. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.